Hello friends, today I will teach you how to swap two bits of a byte in C program. So firstly I will tell you what is a byte. A byte is an integer number of 8 bits and we have to swap two bits using C program. In this program we declared an unsigned char type variable to read 8-bit numbers, means 1 byte, and we are swapping two bits 1 and 2 of some numbers. Let's take an example where we take an input number is an hexadecimal like 0x0a 0x0b. So these kind of number we take as an input to swap that numbers. So binary of an input number, here we take an example for binary number 0000 and 1010. So we can swap this number. So after swapping of bit 1 and 2, the binary output will be 00001100. Output will, which we get in an hexadecimal is 0x0c. So here we also take an unsigned char. So firstly I will tell you what is unsigned char. So unsigned char is a character data type where the variable consumes all the 8 bit of the memory and there is no sign bit. So let's begin the coding. So firstly include the header file, which is include stdio.h, which refers and built-in functions like printf, scanf. So for program to swap first and second bit of hexadecimal value, so we will create the main function which is of int type, and for the int type we will take an unsigned char data, which is 0x0a. Firstly we will take 0x a, which means assigning hexadecimal value. Here we assign hexadecimal value. So firstly I will tell you what is unsigned char here. So firstly I will clarify you that unsigned char is a character type data type where the variable consumes all the 8 bits of the memory and there is no sign bit which is there in signed char. So it means that the range of unsigned char data type range 0 to 255, but in the case of signed char it starts from the minus 127 to plus 128. And unsigned char, then we the syntax of unsigned char, firstly we will write unsigned char, then the variable name, and then we provide the unsigned char value. So here our unsigned char and the variable name is data and the value is 0xa. And now let's we move on get first. Now here we will take get first bit from data here, and we just take the value type unsigned char, means bit 1, and the value is data, which shifts 1 and 1 here. So it shifts on the right side. Okay, and here we take get second bit from data, and the value is unsigned char, and the variable name is bit2, and the data which we shifts right shift on 2, and the value is 2 here. Sorry, 1 here. Now here we will perform bitwise XOR between bit 1 and bit 2 data. So here I will tell you first what is bitwise or XOR. So the bitwise XOR in C takes two number as operands and does XOR on every bit of two numbers, like here bit 1 and bit 2. The result of XOR is 1. The result of XOR between two variables is always 1. The two bits are different, and the two bits are always different here. The right shift in C takes two number. The right shifts the bit of the first operand, the second operand, decides the number of place to be shifted. Here the number of place to be shifted in the right side is 1, and here the number of place shift right side is 2. Okay, and so now we will do the XOR bitwise of bit 1 and between bit 2 here. And now we take unsigned type value, unsigned here, and store value of XOR bit between bit 1 XOR bit 2 here. Okay. Now we print the result printf after swapping the bits. Data value is percentage of 2 x, which is of hexadecimal. The data value is, and the data XOR of bit here. Okay, so XOR of bit, which is left shift of 1 or XOR of bit left shift of 2, and close this printf and then return 0. So now we compile the result. So let's take time, and here we are swap 2 bits here. See, now we save the result. Take some time. It takes some compilation time here. Just a minute. So it is working properly. Take some time in the compilation. And yes, after swapping the bits, data value is C here. So here we done to how that swap two bits of a byte in C programming language.